Hi, this is James again here with JJ Media and Online Services. I am bringing you a training today with talking about incognito searching. Many times as you search Google and you think you go to a website, and what that actually does is create a cache, C-A-S-H-E. It kind of remembers your browser searching and browser history. So one thing with Google search, and as you are trying to rank in Google search, as you search, you may think that, wow, your video is doing very good and very, very well. Well, one way to check to see if you are ranking very well is to slip over into incognito. It's kind of like a blind search, kind of like you are a new person just searching for that term. And what that does, that actually shows where your video and or website is truly ranking. So I want you to follow me to the computer and we'll get talking about incognito search. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you click the links in our description, get the free video intro, and follow us on our social media channels. Let's go to the computer. Okay, as you see here, I'm just in a generic Google screen, and of course I have my favorites that pop up here that I use all the time. So when you search Google, in fact, I'm going to go ahead and kind of talk a little bit about searching Google and what happens. So let me go ahead and, okay, I'm going to look for a local pet care or a local groomer, pet groomer. We have a little dog. Okay, local pet groomer near me. So what that does, of course, Google does know where I am, and okay, so there are the local. Of course, you'll see that I'm located in Hobe Sound, Florida. Okay, let's go ahead and do another search. I'm going to open up a new tab, and let's search local groomer, Hobe Sound. That's the town I live in. Okay, so it does pull it up, and one of the things that a lot of people search is the video, which would be YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine. One of the reasons why I did do this is because I did a review on a dog groomer here in Hobe Sound. That's actually my video there. Dog grooming near me, Hobe Sound. Right there's another one that Ritz Clips in Hobe Sound. So what I'm going to do is, as you see here, it is not in Google. Of course, Google just changed their algorithm again. And let's go ahead, and I haven't searched this in a good little while. Okay, right there it is, second page of Google. And there again, I have not really pumped it. I haven't tried to do much with it. And so now we are going to go into incognito mode. Okay, I use Chrome browser. We're going to do the Control Shift and the letter N, as in nobody. The letter N. We're opening up in incognito. Okay, pet groomers, Hobe Sound. So this is a blind search, incognito mode. Okay, let's go ahead to the next page, see what happens. And right there's my video. Of course, it is the on the second page, which is not good. You want to be on the first page. But when you go, a lot of people search how to, and a lot of people search specifically specifically YouTube. And pet grooming near me, Hope Sound, right there is, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos. So that definitely shows me that my video is ranking in YouTube, because YouTube is the second largest search engine. So, but with being in incognito mode, let's just go back to the videos here. And as you see, there's only 3 here in the regular mode. So let's just go ahead and let's go to YouTube. And you can do this also directly in YouTube. Pull up YouTube, and while that is loading, let me go over to the incognito, and we will pull up YouTube in the incognito mode too. Okay, let's go back to the regular YouTube. It's taking a little while. Sorry about that. Okay, here's the regular YouTube. Let's go pet groomers near me. Let me go ahead and do Hope Sound. So this is just on YouTube. Of course, I have the right there. It is. It's showing all of mine are showing up. Yep. All right. Right there. All of my videos are showing up. So let's just go ahead and verify. And incognito mode is the way to verify that your video is really ranking. Pet groomer Hope Sound. Incognito. And just to verify once again. And there it is. All of my videos are ranking. I know I went through a lot, you know, the different things, but incognito mode is a verification that your video is truly ranking. It's a blind search. So I hope this video helps you out. Make sure you click the link, the free video intro link. Comment in this video below and comment video intro, and you will be sent to the page for the free video intro. You upload, contact me if you need to. I'll leave my email address. If there's any problems, I will do a free video intro to everyone that comments video intro. Thank you again. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.